Welcome to Audacity Lesson 7. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of the equalizer, or EQ. Equalization is one of the most critical tools in audio editing. It allows you to adjust the volume of specific frequency ranges within your audio. Ready to shape your sound? Learn the EQ basics to fine-tune your tracks and make them pop. The equalization effect in Audacity gives you precise control over your audio's frequency spectrum. Let's quickly see how to access this essential tool within Audacity. To open the equalizer window, simply navigate to the Effect menu and select Equalization. Audacity offers two main ways to use the EQ. First, let's explore the highly flexible Draw Curves mode. In the Draw Curves mode, you can visually click and drag points on the graph to boost or cut specific frequencies, allowing for smooth, customized curves. This visual approach gives you complete control over how the sound spectrum is shaped, from the low lows to the high highs. Next up is the is excellent for quick, targeted adjustments using predefined bands. In graphic EQ mode, you use vertical sliders, each controlling a narrow frequency band, typically labeled as low, mid, and high frequencies. You can also load various presets like bass boost or treble cut, and then tweak the individual sliders from there for rapid results. EQ isn't just about making things louder or softer. It's used to balance vocals, highlight instruments, and even reduce unwanted noise. Boosting the lower frequencies enhances the bass, giving your audio a warmer, fuller sound, perfect for music or voiceovers needing depth. Increasing the treble or high frequencies adds clarity, crispness, and detail, but be careful not to make it sound too harsh or sibilant. Mastering the equalizer allows you to clean up your sound, remove muddiness, and bring out the best in your recordings. Remember, EQ is magic for managing bass and treble, reducing noise, and achieving that professional, balanced sound. In our next lesson, we'll dive into advanced EQ concepts like Q factor and how to use EQ dynamically for truly professional results. Stay tuned.